In this video, I'm going to show you how this sensor and a proper automation can save you a lot of money. This is the Aqara T1 window and door sensor. It uses Zigbee 3.0 and it has a battery life of up to 2 years. Let's open it up. Inside we will find a small manual, well actually it's pretty big, and this sensor. The rest of the box, I think it's empty. Yeah, it's glued, so nothing inside. This smaller part contains a magnet, and this is the pair that contains a battery. We have a pull tab here that will activate the sensor, a protective layer on the sides. All we have to do now is stick it to the window or the door using this included adhesive tapes and synchronize it to our Home Assistant using this button. If we go to Home Assistant, Zigbee to MQTT, we can find the device already added, and in exposes we can see the status, which can be closed or open. We can also see the battery life and of course link quality. Now for the automations. Let's go to Settings, Automation and Scenes, and I have already created this automation, turn off heat on door open. Let's click on it. Let's see what it does. When will this trigger? When the bedroom balcony door is open, and if the radiator in my case is set to heat, then it will wait. Right now it's set for 1 minute, let's say 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes it will do a condition. Let's expand it. If the bedroom balcony door is still open, then change the radiator mode to off. I want to make this double check of the door being open because it may happen that you open the balcony door in my case. You want to take something out or bring something in, then close it immediately back. If I do not have this delay and recheck, it will turn off the radiator immediately once I open the door. And I don't want to do that. I want to give the person time to come back. And if the door is still open after 10 minutes in this case, then there's for sure a need to turn off the radiator. I know I'm using a radiator as an example in the summer, which is not quite right in our solution, but you can change this to anything. You can put your air conditioning unit, you can adjust the temperature, not only turn it off, or even integrate more advanced HVAC solutions. Click Save to make sure that everything is done. And that's it. With this small sensor and a fast automation, you can make sure that you're not wasting any energy summer or of course winter time. That's it for this short video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe.